Let's compare the Wildflower Stems die set from Sizzix with Wildflower Stems 2 die set. The Wildflower Stems die set has 7 different dies in the set, and they have a variety of different scales. There are some that are a little bit smaller florals than the other. The Wildflower Stems 2 has 5 dies in the set, and they're pretty much all the same scale. You can see that from the cards here that I can use those same die sets for doing a variety of different techniques, as well as cutting a variety of different cardstocks. I've even cut glitter paper and vellum, as well as different cardstocks, and then inking and spraying them afterwards. They're all very easy to die, and I often use these die sets to die cut cardstock scraps. I often have pieces that are long and narrow, so these are perfect for them. I just put them through the machine with the blade side up, cardstock on top of it, and when I want to get them out of the die, this is the easiest way. I hold one end and kind of flick the other end, tapping it onto my desk surface, and typically the end that I'm tapping starts to come out of the die. You could also use a die pick for it. Both great sets, just depending on the florals you're wanting and the scale you're wanting to use.